Oh, g'day, it's Jesse here from meatinthepark.com.au. We're here today to give you another public barbecue tip. Did you know that you don't always have to fry things on barbecues? You can also boil. Today, I'm going to show you by boiling 2 eggs. Put the lid on. Now all you have to do is wait 7 to 10 minutes and you should be ready. All right, let's test one of the eggs, see how we're going. It's been 15 minutes, so they should be done. But the water hasn't exactly been boiling the entire time. It's been in this sort of steamy state, so we'll see how it goes. Let's cool it down, eh? Just cool it down a little bit. Big moment of reveal. Hey! There we go, an absolutely perfectly cooked egg. Hope you enjoyed that. Tune in next time for our other barbecue tips and tricks.